welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. If you are already subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. I really appreciate you. If you are not yet subscribed, I hope you'll enjoy this video. I like to do Dollar Tree hauls, different hauls from different stores, different places online. I like to do crafting, and I hope that you might find something that will make you want to stay and subscribe to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a project share from InLoveArtShop. So I ordered some items and I'm going to do a couple projects with these items. And one of the items are these little beads, not beads, they're not beads, cabochons or something. Little flat backs, acrylic, plastic or something. They're very, very pretty. You get 10 and I'll put the price. Those are very, very pretty. And I got a stamp and die cuts. It cuts the stamp out. This girl, she's very, very cute and funny. I got these flowers, flower dies. Then I got this little embossing folder, word embossing folder. That ought to be fun. This will be my first time embossing, using embossing folder. Then I got these little stickers. They covered up the name. Pretty little bows. You get 2 of those, 2 of these flowers, 2 of these flowers, very pretty, 2 of these flowers, 2 each, pretty butterflies, oh, that's very pretty. And you get those. Okay, I will be right back with project share. Okay, so now we're going to do these couple of projects with the InLoveArts stamp and die set here. And I'm going to make a tag, and I'm going to make a tag without a die. This is my first time. I usually only used, I should say, a die to make the tag. So I'm going to try to do this with just my own materials. So I've already pre-cut these pieces of paper, but they will have to be trimmed once they are glued. Paper that I coffee dyed a while back. I just did a whole bunch and I'm still using it. Okay, our tag should be dry by now. Okay, so I have a little bit of work to do on that. But that's okay. So here's my little girl that I used with this stamp die set. So I'm going to go ahead and give her just a little bit of ink around the edges. Go ahead and get this tag, a little bit of ink. Maybe I should go. Nah, I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it. Go messing with things. Oh my goodness, you go messing with things. Okay, I'm gonna lay this lace down first. Okay, and then I want to use this flower here. this is this die. And I just wanted a simple flower, so I'm only going to do the 2 layers. And then this is part of these die cuts, or these dies here, this set. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the middle of this, give it a little bit of gold. Okay, so I'm going to take this little gem right here with a little bit of pink in it and put it right in the middle. Give it a little bit of color to match her dress. Then I'm going to put this. I made a mistake and put this down here. I wonder if I can get this off of here without tearing this up. Yay! Oh, I didn't like that. As soon as I laid it down there, I didn't like it. Okay, so these are the other, this pack of stickers that I showed you in the beginning of this video. So we definitely want to use this on here. Need to get some pink ink. This is the little embossing folder that I showed you in the beginning of this video from InLoveArts. This is the first time I've ever used an embossing folder. And so the first couple of times I did it, the paper just seemed to, it like tried to cut it out. So I wet the paper a little bit, and then that worked a lot better. I had seen somebody say that in a video about embossing folders, so I really enjoyed this. This one here, I cut this, and then I just took some brown ink and just went over. This is my coffee dye paper, and I just went over with some brown ink there to highlight that. I like the darker side a little bit better. I have this piece of vellum from Tim Holtz. I don't know if everybody's seen me haul that. I got this in a paper de-stash. Okay, I just want to put a little bit more ink on here. This is what I use this embossing folder for. I'm loving how it's turning out. You know, I had an idea in my mind, but things change a little bit, you see. And so these dies that I showed you in the beginning of this video, one set here. Okay, it's all one set. And so I cut it out with some book pages and some pink paper. Okay, so I am going to add one of these, one here. I just think this is so cute. This little piece here. Hopefully this turns out as nice as I have it in my head. Okay, I'm going to use these dewdrops. I'm going to use my Eileen's tacky glue. Give that a little pop of color in there. Okay, and I want to give this flower just a little pop up. And I always like to use some more glue to give that some extra. Okay, so here is the finished project, and I just love it. It didn't go exactly the way I was hoping, but I like it. I think it's very pretty. I hope the person that it's going to will enjoy this. Of course, I've got to do the back and put my information back there. This is the InLoveArts embossing folder and the flower die, and all in one project. Onto our third and final project to use these. So I am going to make a Okay, so I thought that my phone was recording here, and it obviously wasn't. So I just took that butterfly sticker and I glued it down onto the rosette. I laid that ticket down there, and then I put the eyelash trim behind the ticket, and then you'll see me doing the rest. So sorry about that. I'm not sure what happened. Thank you. I have a big page of sentiments, so I just cut this Learn to Fly off there, inked it with some pink ink, and then I glued it to a piece of Maggie Holmes' Garden Party, and then I put some pop tape behind that with a little piece of silver like rope behind it, and now I'm just gluing the InLoveArtsshop flat back to the ticket. Okay, don't forget, I will link everything in the description box and also a discount code. Please feel free to use that on anything that you see here that you've liked. Okay, here is my rosette using these little butterfly charms. You've seen everything I did to this. I know I have a lot to learn on how to layer things and stuff. I think it's cute. Learn to fly. I haven't made very many of these rosettes. Okay, so there's that project. And then here's this one. And then we have this one. Then we have this one using this one. I'm happy with all these projects. I think this tag turned out cuter than I thought it was going to. And this memory decks card, I think I just really love this. I just love these little dewdrops. I think this is beautiful. So, and then this rosette. Super cute, I think. Anyway, I don't know. I know I have a lot more to go with layering and stuff. So, all right, I really appreciate you all watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed these projects, and I hope the people that I'm sending these to enjoy them. And I just hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much.